Today, I'm going to guide you step by step how to draw these 3Ds. Even if you are a complete beginner, don't worry. I will explain you everything in a simple, easy to follow way. I truly believe that if you watch this video until the end and follow along carefully, you will be able to draw this cabinet on your own with confidence. By the end of this tutorial, you will not only understand the process but also improve your overall 3D drawing skill. So now let's get started our 3D model. The first tool that I used the tape measure tool. Shortcut key letter T. Okay, here letter T. Okay, I just click one like this, and this one like this, and then here like this, and offset 600 enter. Okay, you see it is first step. So now we get the link here, and then I use rectangle tool to draw like this, and we push up. So now we have the height of the cabinet. You see. Next up, I use tape measure tool again, because tape measure tool it is the best tool that we use oftenly in 3D drawing. Okay. So now I use tape measure tool again. Shortcut key letter T. Okay, here 55. Here also 55. Okay, here also 55. Okay, now let me measure this one from here to here. 502, and here to here 1200. And for me, this one I just put 500 and 25, 1200, 25, 1200, and 25. So make sure it is for 500. Here also, okay, 500. It is great. Okay, and then up here I need 100, and here also 100, but the middle here I need 150. Okay, and then I use the rectangle tool to draw like this. Okay, like this. Next, pencil tool. Here only 100, and here 150. The height. Here also 100. Okay, before I push this in, and I want to limit about the backboard of the wardrobe. So the thickness of the backboard of the wardrobe here I need 12. Okay, and then I use push and pull tool to push in like this from the line that I limit. Okay, you see. And next time you just click here and just triple click 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, you see it's quick and easy. And then this one here I want to push up a little bit, 20. Okay, you see it is nearly finished. Okay, now I press letter D to delete all guideline because it's difficult to look, you see. Okay, so here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, before I draw this shelter, I need to group this one first. Okay, and then I use rectangle tool. Shortcut key letter O. Okay, and I push up 18. Enter. Okay, and then I make group and I move like this. Letter and then move down like this. Okay, letter M again, and then I press Control key to copy, and I press up arrow key. Just press 1 to lock the direction. Divide it in 8. Okay, this one I delete, and the bottom here I also delete. Okay, and now when you measure about the space, it really equal. You see? Okay, great. And then here I just select from the left to the right. I select all the bar here. Okay. You can click. You can press hold Control. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. You can press hold Control like this, or you can select like this. It is more quicker. Okay. You see? Make group. Okay. And then I copy. Okay. Okay. Triple click. Go to in group, and then here I copy this one. Okay, and use scale tool, shortcut key letter S, scale like this, space, and then copy this one again. Okay, you see? Okay, now it is time to draw the drawer here. Okay, and here is 150. Okay, so now here I find the center one. Okay, and then here F is 150, and I use rectangle tool, shortcut key letter O. Okay, here I offset, shortcut key letter F, here offset tool. Okay. Okay, here I put 12. Display I don't need, erase. And I use push and pull tool to push like this in 18. Make group and copy like this. Okay. And then I create the horizontal line here, 1. Okay, and then I copy here, divide it in 3. Because on the vertical line here we have the 3 drawer. Okay, so now it is time to draw the drawer. So space here, it is the space for slide drawer. Okay, also here, and down here I put 50. In this case, it is easy because the drawer, it is equal. So we just do 1 and we copy the rest of all. Okay. And here also 12. I offset in also 12. Okay, 12. Okay, and I push down from the line that limit here. Make group. And draw like this. Push up 18. Make sure I make group and hold Control key, click this one and then make group together, and then I copy 1 like this, put letter H, I put 2. Okay, now I copy like this. Okay, now I move this one a little bit far away. Okay, now I select from the left to the right by this one, you see that, and make group together, and then I copy. Okay, like this, and I create 1 bar. This 18. You return go tool to draw, and I push. Okay, like this. Make group, and then I copy. Okay, and press letter D to delete all guideline. Okay, it is nearly finished. Now let's install the clothes hanger. The first thing I need to find the center here, and down here I put 100, and I use cycle tool to draw 20, and again 10. and I extrude like this. Copy, or you can lock the direction, left arrow key. Okay, 10. Also 10. Make group, and then I copy. So you see that it is easy, and I believe that you can do it 100% by yourself if you watch my video and you don't skip it, because this kind of cabinet it is easy. Like the drawer here, we just do one and we copy the rest of our. Okay, you can see. If you found this video is useful for you, and don't forget to like and subscribe to support my channel and to get the new video from me. Okay, so see you for the next time.